Hey, it's Steinman from Ortho Marketing, back with another marketing tip for you. So today's marketing tip is content. All right, you need to embrace your existing content. Don't always have to make new ones. You don't have to sit there and say, boy, I gotta write a new blog, I gotta shoot a new video. There's always ways for you to take your existing content and make it better, add to it, edit it, add some new stuff. A lot of stuff that's already out there that Google grabbed, that Facebook grabbed, that's trending on TikTok is updated. By adding a new issue to it, by putting some more content into what you already have, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's a way for you to get stuff that's already there higher up on rankings, found more, and updated and more relevant. So take today's tip is don't reinvent the wheel. See what you already have out there and make it better. Happy marketing, happy smiles.